Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ford F150. If you want to get to your fuse box location, or before that, if you want to get to your OBD port, it's usually located under the steering wheel. If you go here, it's right in here. If you want to plug in your computer, and to get to your first fuse box location, it won't be here, it will be on the passenger side, right in there. So what you want to do is pull on this. When you pull on this, this comes off. And there's your fuses. Some cars or trucks, it shows right on the panel, but this one it doesn't. You have to look in your manual, owner's manual. To close it, all you want to do is just line it up. That's it. To get to your second one, it's going to be under the hood. There's the engine. This is 3.3 V6. So there's your second box, fuse box location. To open it, this is kind of in the way. I figured if you open this one up and lift it up, just like that, that's out of the way, and then you can open this one. Push this button and it comes off. And same thing on this one, nothing in the back. You have to look into your owner's manual. And there's your fuses. To usually pull them out, sometimes you have a fuse puller. In this case, I don't see one. Best thing to do is, let's say whatever you pick, like big ones, it's easy to pick it out. You can just do it by hand, just pick it up. The other ones, either grab some pliers or plastic ones, because if you get metal ones, you can mess it up. All it is just pull, just like that. You can try to do it by hand. And that comes off just like this. Same thing with the small ones. Make sure you put it in the same place. And you put it in, just push it in. And that's it for this one. To close it, all you do is just line it up this way, line up the back. And then close this one over this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.